Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection but you cannot browse Google Chrome or any other browser. Or use Google Play Store. On your Google Pixel 6a. So in order to fix this, let's move to our settings. Now scroll all the way down and find System. In the system there should be date and time. And here enable the setting called Set Time Automatically. So now if we open Google Chrome and reload the page, it should load without any problem. And the same is with Google Play Store. We can try again, and as you can see, it also works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.